Happy New Year! Di ba? Guys, to this New Year.
Hindi mo nadala yung fruit salad pati yung float.
Oo nga, di nakalimutan
Nakakain
ko.
si Ana. Sabi niya
Naka-
sarap. Si Ana sa Rihanna.
Nakain sila ngayon.
Oo. Kain talaga sa
Guys, today our simple celebration. Dito kami kay Bella kasi ngayon Nepali New Year. As usual, you know already, if there's occasion, we are here in Bella Mansion. Ayan sa mansion niya. Shout out sa lahat. Happy New Year sa Nepali family and friends. Ito ang aming guys. We have too much of food.
Akala ko doon tayo kakain.
Saan?
Saan tayo kakain? Doon, sabi mo kanina. Sila na lang doon?
Dito na lang, tapos kuha sila, tapos doon. Kuha doon.
Yung dalaga.
Yung dalaga, okay lang yan.
Dala
Doon
na
sila.
lang tayo. Dito na lang tayo.
Mamaya na natin to. Hindi to siya sa
May protest din kami, guys.
Kasi tinanggal ko kasi microwave. Ibalik ko dito sa microwave. Ora. Oo, kasi ginamit yung microwave. Kasi tinanggal dito.
Ang aming lumpia. Oh my God.
Bumalik na si Ate Ame.
Ang galing.
Wala na ang aking kuwan. Ubus na din aking
Alin?
magprito sana ako.
Sophie, how's this?
Daddy,
And then, what happened, Daddy?
Daddy very big, strong. And
Very sexy. And then, what happened, Daddy, now?
Daddy very good. And Daddy, I tell Daddy eat a vegetable and fruit. No coffee, no candy, no coffee allowed. Exercise morning.
Exercise
and
morning.
Do this. This
Okay.
Tita Bella have like for exercise and
Okay.
for one you bring and then you buy or again for not give it Tita Bella not give you buy and then finish.
Yeah, guys, because see, Sophia, I arranged my clothes. Now, Sophia found out our album, and then he saw this one. He has Mommy, who's this? And then, your father. Oh my God, why that is very sexy? And then now told him, what happened now, Mommy? Daddy big tummy. And then she told that, Daddy, please do exercise and diet. Oh my God. See, guys, my 6 years old baby, guys, she know already how to exercise daw and diet. And then what else Daddy will do?
And this big one, this big.
Now busy, guys. See, busy. She's arranging. We found out the album while I'm arranging the clothes. See, guys, sorry for the mess. Now, she want to tell Daddy to become diet daw because see, my daddy is very sexy before. Oh my God. But now the reality, guys, eat pa more.
This too, look. This too very nice.
Ay, naku. Oh, see, guys, my husband before, very small. And then see, look, guys, Winnie is very small. And then where's that Sophia? We will check. Now see Sophia, guys. When baby Sophia, she is still, I don't know how many months this Sophia. I think 9 months be what, ma? We take a photo for
1 month.
Sophia. 1 month. This is our memory, guys. Diba?
Who that?
Now si
Who that
Sophia
now?
Joy, ang
Who
cute.
lie down? Huh?
Good night, guys. Bye-bye. I love you. Be kind. Be happy. Mwah. Hello guys, kumusta? Nag-change tayo ng 14. Dito sa room, ito change ko guys. Ang tugas. Ayun. Bukan sa tugas niya. Kaya, pasakit ba? It's easy to remove. What happened? I'm not using the... Actually, I have the root, but it's easy for me. I like this. Oh my God! Oh! Push! Aya! Malimit siya. It's okay. I think I need two here. I will take one because we have two. I think it's okay. I put one to show you. I think I need two guys, two this one. Nakakatakot yung aking kalaban. Oh my goodness, it's very heavy. Oh gosh. I did it. Isa ko siya rin from here. Diba? Ang ganda. I want to show you guys. Ang aking bagong sit up na room. Tapos ito siya, simple. Tapos sa gilid nilagyan ko, I put it a snake plant. And then, supporting. And then, plus here. And then, plus table. Tapos may ano ako guys. From Kushala lang. Ang ganda pala ng ano. It's very pretty. Di ba? Ang aming konting may ano pa siya guys. May ano. May pa-flower ako guys. Flower leaves. Ito, I put it only one. I think it's okay. Because another I need to use in my kitchen. And then here you go. Aesthetic na siya guys. Fantastic na. Diba? Thank you for watching. Please be happy and be kind. I love you all. Thank you to all my subscribers and you. God bless us. Thank you. Bye-bye.